we have given a binary string S where 1 represent black ball and 0 represent the white ball, okay, and we have to rearrange the binary string in such a way that all the white ball come to the left and all the black ball come to the right, and we can only do the swapping of the adjacent ball. Okay, so let's say that we have a string S and we have binary string 101. Now what we have to do, we have to rearrange this string in such a way that all the 0 or white ball come to the left and all the black ball come to the right. Okay, so this is our desired output. Okay, and what we can do, we can only swap the adjacent element. Okay, and we have to find the minimum number of swapping required to get this desired output. So in this scenario, for this binary string, we can swap these two element, this two ball, this black and white ball, and we will get 0 1 1. Okay, so number of step required is only 1. Okay, in one step we get our desired output. Okay, the other approach is that we can swap this. So let's say that we have the same string, and let's say that we swap this two ball first. Okay, so after swapping it will become 1 1 0, but our desired output is that we have to rearrange the white ball to the left. Okay, so again we need to do this swapping again. Okay, so it will become 1 0 1. Again we will swap this 2. Okay, so it will become 0 1 1. Okay, so here we require 3 steps: one step, second one, and third one. Okay, but we have to find the minimum number of steps to do this task. Okay, so here, so the output for this will be 1. So let's take other binary string 1101. Okay, so let's say that we have 1101, and let's see how we are going to do the swapping here. Okay, so let's say that we have 1101, and here we can do first we need to swap this one. So after doing this swapping, our string will become 1011, and again we can do this swapping of the adjacent element. So our output will become 0 1 1 1. Okay, so here we can see that we get our desired output, and by following the condition that we are doing the swapping with the adjacent element only. Okay, again here the output will be 2, because 2 step is required here, right? This one is the first step and this one is the second step. Okay, now let's say we have one again binary string S, and this time our binary string is 0 0 1 1 and 0. Okay, so first take this binary string first. Okay, 0 0 1 1. Okay, in this scenario the input is already what we want, right? That our all the 0 comes on the left and all the ones are on the right side. Okay, so this is already grouped, right, according to our output. Okay, so here the output will be, we don't need to do anything here, so output will be 0. Now let's say that we have 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, so here these two white ball are on the same position where they have to be. Now this white ball we need to move on the left side, right? So again we need to do this two swapping. First we need to do swapping with the adjacent element, so with this element. So our output will be, after doing the first swapping, this will be our output, and again we will do the swapping with this adjacent element, right? So our output will be 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, so again here we need 2 step here again, right? So our output will be 2 here. Okay, let's say that again take one more example. Let's say that our string is 1110. Okay, now here this 0 need to come on the left part, right? So what we will do, we will do swapping with these two elements first. So our output will look like, after doing first swapping like this, again we will swap with this two. So our output will be 1 0 1 1, and again we will do swapping with these two elements. Okay, so again our output will be 0 1 1 1. Okay, so here we can see we need 3 steps for that, right? So one thing we observe from all the input that uh, let's say that this example, right? So here we can observe one pattern that for any white ball we need to see how many black ball are present on the left hand side of this white ball. Okay, so here for this white ball we need we have three black ball, right? So we need three swapping basically. So let's take this example, right? Here for here, since this two for this white ball there are no black ball on the left hand side, so we don't need to do any swapping. Again for this white ball there is no black ball on the left hand side, right? So again we don't need to swap for this white ball, right? But for this white ball there are two black ball on the left hand side, right? That's why we need to have two swapping. Let's say if there are two one more one here, right? So again we need to do one more swapping here, right? So we observe again, let's see this example here. For this white ball we don't have any black ball on the left. Again for this white ball we don't have any black ball on the left, right? That's why we don't have to do any swapping for that. For this example, here we can see for this white ball we have two black ball on the left. That's why we need to do two swapping. Okay, so let's say that we have one string s equal to 1010, right? For this white ball we have one black ball on the left, and this for this white ball we have two black ball on the left, right? So basically so output will be 3, right? So first let's see through manually that how it's going to work. So first we will do this swapping with the adjacent element, so output will be 0 1 1 0, right? So now this white ball is on the position, right position, correct position. Now I have to focus on this white ball, right? So for this white ball first we will do this swapping with this two element, so our output will look like 0 1 0 1, and now again we need to do this swapping, right? So our output will look like 0 0 1 1. Here we can see we need one step, second one, and third one, right? So we need three step for this, right? And if we go through this logic that for every white ball we will see how many left ball are present on their left hand side, right, on the original binary string, right? So for this white ball we have one black ball, plus for this white ball we have two black ball, right? So basically the output will be 3, right? Now so the logic is very clear here that for every white ball we are going to see how many black ball are present on the left hand side, right? So what we will do for the coding part, let's see let's solve this problem on in Python. Okay,
Whatever we have discussed till now, let's see the code for the same. Okay. So let's say that we have a binary string 1001. So we will declare a variable result which will give me the desired output, how many swap minimum swap required to get the desired output, and we will have one black ball count variable, right? So the black ball count variable will keep the track of number of one we encounter. Okay. So when we iterate through this string, so our task is to, for each white ball, we need to check how many black ball are present on the left hand side of that white ball, and we will do the cumulative sum for the same, right? For each white ball, okay? So we will iterate through the string, and whenever we encounter the white ball, then we will do the add the black ball count in the result, right? Right. Else, if we encounter the black ball, then we will increment the black ball count, right? Okay. So let's see how this code is going to run, and finally we are going to print the result. Okay. So for this example, for this white ball, we have one black ball on the left, and for this white ball, we have one black ball on the left, right? So our output will be 2 here, right? Okay. So let's see if we have 1 1 0 0 1, right? in this scenario, for each white ball, we have two black balls. So the output will be 4 here, right? Let's say we have 0, 0, 1 here. We don't need to do anything because all the white ball are already arranged, right? So the output will be 0 here. Okay. If let's say that we have 1, 0, 0, so the output will be for this white ball we have one black ball on the left, and for this white ball we have one black ball on the left. So the output will be 2 here, right? So the output is 2 here. Okay. So I hope you enjoy this video. Uh, if you have any doubt, you can comment. You can in the comment section. You can comment your doubt. Okay. Or for any feedback and suggestion, you can put it over there. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.